Hello, it's Ron. Welcome back. Today we're exploring the surprising health benefits of okra water, a simple drink you can make at home. Okra water is made by soaking okra pods in water overnight, allowing nutrients and soluble fiber to infuse the liquid. That slimy texture? It's called mucilage, and it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We'll break down the top 10 benefits, from weight loss to glowing skin and more. Stick around to see how this easy drink can transform your health. Let's dive into the first benefit. Let's start with weight management. The soluble fiber in okra water expands in your stomach, making you feel full and satisfied with less food. It also slows the absorption of sugars and fats, preventing blood sugar spikes and helping your body burn fat for energy. Plus, this fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding your good gut bacteria and supporting a healthy metabolism. A balanced gut reduces cravings and inflammation, making weight loss easier. So, okra water helps you eat less, stabilize blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, all naturally. It's a smarter approach than just counting calories. Support your body's natural systems for real, sustainable results. Now, let's talk about your skin. Your skin reflects your internal health. Okra water is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, the main culprits behind wrinkles and dullness. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. The hydration from okra water plumps up skin cells, giving you a natural glow. And by supporting digestion, okra water helps eliminate toxins, reducing breakouts and inflammation. Clear skin isn't just about what you put on it, it's about what you put in your body. Drink okra water for a radiant, healthy complexion. Next, let's look at how it boosts your energy. Forget the afternoon crash from coffee or energy drinks. Okra water delivers steady, clean energy thanks to B vitamins and magnesium, which help your body convert food into fuel. Most people are low in magnesium, leading to fatigue. Okra water helps fill that gap. Its fiber also stabilizes blood sugar, preventing energy spikes and crashes. Think of it as slow-burning fuel for your day. Start your morning with okra water for lasting focus and productivity. It's a simple way to feel energized naturally. Now let's talk about blood sugar. Okra water's soluble fiber forms a gel in your gut, slowing the breakdown and absorption of carbs. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes and gives your pancreas time to respond with the right amount of insulin. Okra's flavonoids may also improve insulin sensitivity, making your cells more responsive and reducing the risk of diabetes. Stable blood sugar means fewer cravings, better energy, and less belly fat. Drinking okra water before or with meals can blunt the glycemic response. It's a simple, natural way to support metabolic health. Blood sugar control is foundational for overall wellness. Let's move on to digestion. If your digestion is off, everything is off. Okra water's mucilage soothes and lubricates your digestive tract, easing constipation and calming gut inflammation. It adds bulk to stool and helps keep things moving. The prebiotic fiber feeds your good gut bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome. These bacteria produce compounds like butyrate, which reduce inflammation and nourish your colon. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, immunity, and even mood. Okra water is a simple way to support your digestive system from the inside out. Start with your gut, and the rest of your health will follow. Now, let's talk about your heart. Okra water helps your heart by lowering LDL cholesterol and supporting healthy blood pressure. Its soluble fiber binds to bile acids, prompting your liver to use cholesterol to make more, reducing cholesterol in your blood. Okra is also rich in potassium and magnesium, minerals that relax blood vessels and help maintain a steady heartbeat. Antioxidants in okra water protect your arteries from damage and inflammation. Drinking okra water is a gentle, natural way to support cardiovascular health. Lower cholesterol, better blood pressure, and less inflammation, all in one drink. Your heart will thank you. Next, let's boost your immune system. Okra water is packed with vitamin C and A, both crucial for immune defense. Vitamin C boosts white blood cell production and function, while vitamin A keeps your body's protective barriers strong. The prebiotic fiber supports your gut, where most of your immune cells live. A healthy gut microbiome helps your immune system respond appropriately, fighting real threats, not overreacting. Drinking okra water is an easy way to keep your immune system strong and balanced. Especially during cold and flu season, it's a smart addition to your routine. Let's talk about inflammation next. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases. Okra water is loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin and polyphenols. These antioxidants calm overactive inflammatory pathways, reducing pain and risk of chronic disease. The mucilage soothes your gut, helping to heal and seal the lining, which lowers systemic inflammation. By supporting your gut and providing antioxidants, okra water tackles inflammation at its source. This can mean less joint pain, better metabolic health, and a lower risk of disease. It's not just about symptom relief, it's about true healing. Make okra water part of your anti-inflammatory strategy. Now, let's talk about bone health. Okra water supports bone health with vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium. Vitamin K helps your body use calcium effectively, building strong bones and keeping arteries flexible. Okra provides plant-based calcium, great for those avoiding dairy. Magnesium in okra is vital for bone structure and strength. Together, these nutrients help maintain a resilient skeleton and prevent brittle bones. Okra water is a simple way to support bone health at any age. Don't wait until it's too late. Start now. Next, let's cover hydration and detox. Okra water hydrates better than plain water thanks to its natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. These minerals help your body absorb and use water efficiently, keeping your cells plump and energized. Proper hydration supports energy, brain function, and glowing skin. Okra water also aids detoxification by supporting your liver and kidneys. Its antioxidants protect liver cells, while fiber binds to toxins and helps eliminate them. This reduces your body's toxic load and supports natural cleansing. Drink okra water for superior hydration and gentle detox. It's a simple upgrade to your daily routine. Now here's how to make it. Making okra water is easy. Slice 4 or 5 okra pods, soak them in a liter of water overnight, then strain and drink throughout the day. Try it for a week and notice the difference in your energy, skin, and overall wellness. Share your results or questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. Share this video with friends who could benefit. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers to your health with okra water.